Our planet faces a profound challenge: climate change. The very systems that sustain life are under threat from rising temperatures, shifting weather patterns, and increasing extreme events. Yet, amidst this crisis, a glimmer of hope emerges from the natural world itself. Healthy ecosystems possess an incredible capacity to combat climate change, acting as Earth's green guardians. Forests, oceans, wetlands, and grasslands all play a vital role in regulating our climate. These ecosystems act as vast carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in plants and soils. By sequestering carbon, they help to mitigate the impacts of greenhouse gas emissions and slow the pace of global warming. Protecting and restoring these natural carbon sinks is crucial in our fight against climate change. Intact ecosystems not only absorb carbon, but also provide a myriad of other benefits, including clean air and water, flood regulation, and support for biodiversity. They are essential for the health and well-being of both nature and humanity. Forests stand as the Earth's mighty lungs, inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling life-giving oxygen. Trees, through the process of photosynthesis, absorb CO2 from the atmosphere and convert it into organic matter, effectively locking it away from the atmosphere.
Tropical rainforests in particular are renowned for their exceptional carbon storage capacity. These biodiverse ecosystems teem with life, from towering trees to intricate understory plants, all contributing to the absorption and storage of vast amounts of carbon. However, deforestation and forest degradation pose significant threats to this vital carbon sink. When forests are cleared or burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Protecting existing forests and restoring degraded ones is essential for harnessing their full carbon sequestration potential.
Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, oceans play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. They act as a massive carbon sink, absorbing approximately 25% of the carbon dioxide released by human activities each year.
This absorption occurs through a process known as the carbon pump. Phytoplankton, tiny marine plants, take up carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. When these organisms die, they sink to the ocean floor, effectively sequestering the carbon in deep ocean sediments. However, the ocean's ability to absorb carbon is not limitless. Ocean acidification, caused by the absorption of excess carbon dioxide, poses a significant threat to marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs, which are vital for marine biodiversity and coastal protection.
Restoring nature's balance success stories. Across the globe, inspiring stories of successful conservation efforts demonstrate the power of nature to heal and combat climate change.
In the Brazilian Amazon, for instance, initiatives to reduce deforestation and promote sustainable land management practices have resulted in a significant decrease in deforestation rates.
Similarly, in Indonesia, efforts to protect and restore mangrove forests are not only sequestering carbon, but also providing coastal communities with vital protection from storms and erosion.
These success stories provide tangible evidence of the positive impact that human actions can have on restoring nature's balance.
By making conscious choices in our daily lives, from reducing our carbon footprint to supporting sustainable products and organizations, we can contribute to a healthier planet for present and future generations. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in this collective effort. We can support policies that promote conservation, sustainable land management, and the transition to renewable energy sources. We must act now to safeguard these vital carbon sinks and harness their power to combat climate change. A call to action: protecting our planet. The science is clear: protecting and restoring natural habitats is not just an option, but a necessity.
Hope for a brighter future. The challenges posed by climate change are undeniable, yet amidst the urgency there is hope.
Nature's resilience, coupled with human ingenuity and a collective commitment to action, can pave the way for a brighter future.
By embracing the interconnectedness of all living things and recognizing the intrinsic value of nature, we can create a world where both humanity and the natural world can thrive in harmony.
Let us be inspired by the power of nature to heal and regenerate. Let us act with urgency and determination to protect our planet for ourselves and for generations to come.